In today's video, we'll be showing steam whistles. Not just TVRM, people who think I'm a TVRM foamer. So, kick back and enjoy.
We're almost at the tunnel. Wait, hold on. You can be on this side. I'll take this side.
Good job. It looks easy. The bell is right here. Yeah. Just don't step on that pedal. She'll move that to you. The bell is just, you just pull it and let it go, and then it'll right there. You go. Keep doing that. Pull it harder. There you go. Keep doing that. I hear it. Yeah, that's how it used to work. The shade. All right. The shade that I used to run didn't have a pneumatic bell. You had to ring it manually. Oh wow! Because the shade's not supposed to go very fast anyway. So.
Can you do a shave and a haircut? Thank you. You ask and you shall receive.
hope you enjoyed the video. Well, this is the end. Half of these videos aren't mine, except for all the TVRM ones. Wait, maybe I am a TVRM filmer. Ah!